Passive aggressiveness is one of the most frustrating behaviors we face in our colleagues or clients. Let's be clear, passive aggressive actions undermine and sabotage our relationships and our organization's ability to achieve its purpose. We need to address it when we see it. If you want to deal with passive aggressiveness, you need to understand where it comes from. Fundamentally, passive-aggressive behavior stems from someone's feeling that it is unsafe or unacceptable for them to express their disagreement or anger directly. It is often a pattern learned early in life as a survival mechanism. So what can you do to address it? First, focus on creating psychologically safe conversations. Second, factually describe the behavior you have experienced and its impact. Third, discuss acceptable ways of handling disagreement and anger in the future. And finally, be prepared to have more than one conversation. Patterns are difficult to change and require persistent effort over time.